What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and welcome to the cool little setup I have out here. Now, as y'all know, I did review this table already. If I put this out before the table, then I reviewed this table, you guys, so this table will be for review. So I no longer have my old wooden little table. You know, I'm gonna miss it, but anyways, we have this table right here. We got it from Sam's Club, very cheap, but we are on this product right here. This is the BLAVOR solar panel charger. All right, this thing has 10 watts of power, and let's go ahead and get right into it. Along with this BLAVOR right here, we have the one that we reviewed already. So this is the laptop charger, you guys. I use this daily. All right, I use this one daily, like seriously, I am not lying to y'all. I actually use this to charge my charger at work, so like in the break room, because I didn't, you know, I don't have to bring a whole daggone wire and charge it up to the wall and stuff like that. So yeah, salute to BLAVOR for making some cool products. Now let's go ahead and get into this one right here. Ooh, they give you two little key locks. I think these are called key locks. I forgot what these things are called, but you put them on your keychain. I guess you would call it links. Let's just call it a link. And speaking of links, link of this product will be in the description, as well as the link to the other BLAVOR laptop charger. It does more than charge your laptop, it charges other things as well. So it just has 65 watts of awesome power. All right, so as soon as we take it out, we have the charger wire, key links. Of course, you have the panel. This is the main attraction. All right, we are done with that. And okay, so this must be the battery right here. They give you a pouch with this, whatever you need in a pouch. Probably could put your phone in a pouch. All right, so there you got your panels. You should be able to see a red when I open the panel. So I'm gonna flip it back around. Just keep your eye on it. And then as soon as you open the panels, you see that? I close the panel, light turn off, light turn on. As soon as this thing hits the sunlight, you have power. If you have it like this, then it won't stay. So I guess it's best to just have it flat. They do have a USB. It's a USB and USB Type-C right there. Let's go ahead and just test this out real quick. All right, you guys, so right there, I'm gonna close it. Now it's not charging. I'm gonna open it back up and look right there on the bottom. You see that? I'm gonna close it back up. I'm gonna open, and it is charging. So this thing charges immediately. And the good thing about this is you have access to charge two different things. So if you have a USB Type-C wire, you can go ahead and hook up another device, which is nice. Okay, you guys, now I see. So when they say 10 watts, they mean like total 10 watts. They don't mean like 10 watts out of one port. So what they're saying here is the USB-A output is 5 volts, 2 amps max. And then they say, well, I'm gonna post it for you anyway. And then the USB Type-C output is 5 volts and 2 amps max. So yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna post all of this so you can see the unfold size, the folding size, and all of that, so you'll know. Basically, it's saying when it's folded, it's 7 inches. When you unfold it, you get about 15 inches. So it's 7.5 inches when it's folded, and when you fold it all the way out, it's 15.5 inches. I don't know if that really matters to anybody, but if you like, maybe you sit in the office or some type of office area, cubicle, if you sit next to a window, or if you're at home, you have a home office, then you can put this close to your window and you don't have to use no power on your wall to charge up your phone. So yeah, we are doomsday prepping, you guys. We are doomsday prepping. Other than that, that's it. There's not too much to this product. I love BLAVOR, you guys, and I especially love this product right here. This is my favorite portable charger. I know I'm probably going to get another portable charger in the future, but as for right now, this thing charges up my phones fast. It charges up the laptop and other multiple devices. So I love this thing. I always carry this in my little book bag. Salute to BLAVOR for making some really good products, you guys. And yeah, that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.